For millions of people, BMW isn't just a car, it's proof that you've made it. The badge, the prestige, the feeling that you've finally arrived. People notice BMWs. They notice when you arrive. They notice when you leave. And for a while, that attention feels incredible. Success suddenly has four wheels. Then reality begins. The warranty expires. One repair becomes two. Two repairs become five. And suddenly you're spending more on maintenance than your car payment. Nobody buys a BMW expecting financial stress. But luxury repairs don't care about your budget. The hardest hit isn't always the repair bill. It's watching tens of thousands of dollars disappear in depreciation. While some luxury cars age gracefully, others become expensive hobbies. BMW builds some of the world's most exciting cars, but excitement has a price. The question isn't whether you can afford to buy one. The question is whether you can afford to keep one. Would you rather own a 10-year-old BMW or a 10-year-old Lexus? Tell us why. Tell us why.